She Devil's Garage. Using the blowtorch. Burn out brush pile and leaves. All this needs to be burnt out. Most of it. Polaris. Still green. Just trying to at least. First shot. Hell yeah. That's what I want to see. I don't know where I hit it. Can't really tell where I hit it at. But man. She Devil's Garage back with the Glock 40. Or no, Glock 23. 40 caliber. With some of that famous ass red dot sighting. Yep, it is a Barris Fast Fire 3. Whatever the hell that means. Anyway, we're gonna shoot that same red bottle yeet. And hopefully I hit it. Alright. One going down range. Skinned it or nailed it. Whatever which one. Oh yeah, I am feeling very confident with this thing now since I know I can hit. 165 grains is what I'm shooting out of this Glock 40 caliber, Glock 23, JIT 3, all that. Look at that. First hole, clean straight through. Second hole, whew. Did some damage. I was aiming right here in the middle, and my shot was all the way up here.